this video starts, I want to give quick shout outs to you guys who commented on my last video. Big shout out to you guys. If you guys want a chance to win a shout out in the next video, all you guys have to do is just simply leave a nice comment down below under this video. Also guys, I want to announce that I have a gaming channel called Lyssy's Life and I'm posting daily gaming videos on there. Go subscribe!
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel! So today, as you can see, I am not in an arcade for once in my life. I am in my house and I'm at my lunch table, and today we're going to be doing something that I've wanted to do for just no spontaneous reason at all whatsoever. And that thing we're going to be doing today is trying to do my own acrylic nails. This is probably not the best idea. Definitely 10 out of 10, I don't recommend doing it if you're not a nail tech, but am I gonna do it? Yeah! I don't know why, but I just always have wanted to try to do my own acrylics, and I figured today, why not, since the world shut down, and yeah, why not try to do it and embarrass myself on all of YouTube, trying to pretend like I know how to actually do my nails because my nails are hurting. I've had these acrylics on for too long and they're growing out and they're breaking and they're cracking and they look literally terrible, like they look awful. So we're gonna try doing my own acrylic nails. I ordered a bunch of fun supplies from the interwebs. Also guys, if you guys are new to my channel and you have not joined our family, hit the subscribe button for free alpacas. This is not a scam. Subscribe and also drop a like for the pain and suffering of my nails. 1 like equals 1 rest in peace to my beautiful ratchet nails. But yeah, without further ado, we're just gonna get this nail salon started. I have like all these fun things like this LED light lamp to cure nails if I do gel on top. I have dipping powder here, as you guys can see. I've got these gemstones I found on the internet, which look really cool. I even got one of those like, oh, the cord just popped out. One of those sander things that you use to sand down your nail, which I'm kind of scared of, but we're gonna use. I got gemstones, false nails, and I got these little other gemstones. Acrylic nail professional liquid. Professional! Almost everything we need here to do our own salon. I'm gonna start by just cutting my nails, and you guys are gonna see how ugly they are. Lyssy needs a camera helper, but for now, this dollar store tripod will do. So we're going to literally start cutting them, which actually pains my soul just a little bit. They look really good, but they're growing out and they're hurting a lot, so I'm gonna cut a chunk off here and just hopefully not ruin this, because I want to try. Oh gosh, that pains me to cut these. I want to try going on top of these and sanding them down and going over them and filling my own acrylics, but I have a feeling that's not going to work. And also these nail clippers are literally not big enough, I don't think, to cut through this. Oh no, oh no, oh no. Pain! Ah! Ooh. Ooh, sis. Ooh. Okay, well we got it kind of clipped, so that's a start. Okay, I'm gonna try to cut just like the edges. Okay, that's a start. It's looking a little bit smaller, so we'll take it. Alright, so I officially trimmed all of my nails, as you guys can see here, and I am missing a nail here, so we're gonna have to glue a new one on. But now I have this here sander, and this is where everything gets really scary because the nails I currently have, I'm going to just literally be sanding down. So we're going to plug the sander in. I'm kind of nervous. I'm gonna go the highest mode. Alright, now we're gonna try sanding our nails. Ah! Okay. We have to take the color off of them. This is where I'm really nervous. Ah, the sand is coming out. Okay, hold up, hold up. I don't want this to fly off. Man, this is complicated. This is why I don't do my own nails. Ah, I don't like the feeling of this. I feel like I'm at the dentist. Alright, so as you guys can see here, I have this hand kind of completed. The only problem is, as you guys can see, they're a lot shorter than I intended them to be. They're really short. They're not even long at all, but for the sake of this video, that's okay. We're gonna roll with it. I could glue on. No. My grandma just said no. Well, I could have glued on an extra nail, but since I'm gonna try to fill these, I don't think so, but I might have to put one on here. And we're gonna need our acrylic dipping powder stuff, and of course a brush. I'm going to take this powder right here, open it up. As you can see, it's nice and luscious. Okay, and this is our acrylic nail liquid, and basically what we're gonna do, I'm not no pro, so by the way, this is not a tutorial. we're going to just dip it into the nail liquid, and then we're going to literally just dip it into the powder and try to pretty much fill the nail. Kind of just like this. Yeah, this is probably not the smartest move. Not the smartest thing I've done, guys, but that's okay. I actually don't think I'm doing this right. I don't think it's supposed to look like that, but we're gonna pretend that it should. This is way too chunky. Why does it be looking like this? It looks like melted ice cream. All right, well, we tried. So that's base number 1. At least it's kind of a base. It's drying really fast, so we're gonna have to dip again and do our other nails. All right, so now that I finished my really awful base that I tried really hard to make look smooth and pretty, we're going to be doing a gel top, because I don't really know like what order is the best order to go in. I feel like if there's any nail techs watching this video, they're going to be so disappointed. Also, if you're a nail tech, big shout out to you, because I don't have these skills. As you can see here, yeah, they're pretty much, they're filled. I also have this powder here that I wanted to do one nail with, and I'm really nervous to try because I know it's the same kind of like acrylic base, and oh, that is glittery. But we're gonna try dipping just, you know, one nail, and I think I'm gonna do it to this nail right here. I think it's the ring finger, and then going over it with like a gel polish and seeing if that actually looks good. And then we're gonna go over the other ones with, I almost spilled it. Okay, I got it. This pretty pink color right here. It's like an iridescent pink, and I almost spilt it everywhere, but that's okay. And then we're gonna try to do gems, and I don't really know how to attach gems at all, but we're gonna figure it out. Liquid nail. We're gonna dip into the liquid nail, sparkly powder, and now we're gonna go onto this nail right here. Oh wow, okay. I like this nail dip so much better. Okay, this nail looks really thick though. I don't know how to fix that. It's chunky, but it could be worse. Okay, so after all of this, I literally just decided that I don't like them. So I'm gonna glue on these fake bases on top and pray for a Christmas miracle. I'm gonna sand these babies down, and we're gonna try this again and pretend that I never ever did this. Yeah, I missed the nail salon. Alright, so I ended up putting on plastic over the acrylics I tried to paint in. As you can see here, I'm going to show it on this lower camera. These are my current nails, and I'm really struggling. No! So, I'm going to try to shape. Oh no! I spilt my acrylic liquid. This is just going terribly wrong. Now all of my alpacas are wiping off of my placemat, and it smells so bad. Guys! I just spilled all of my acrylic liquid! Ah! Paper towels! Oh no. This is what happens when you try filming all by yourself. My alpacas are gone! Oh my gosh, the house smells like a nail salon. It literally smells so bad. That's why I shouldn't be trusted alone. Hey, no dog fight! Alright, we're gonna continue our mess of a nail salon. So basically, I'm going to try shaping my nail. I don't really know what kind of shape I'm going for. Just not as short as whatever I was last trying to do. Honestly, that looks pretty good, what I just did there. So we're gonna try to keep it about that length. These ones though, they get wider as they go, so I don't know how to fix them. Alright, so I cut them to be a little more reasonable. I'm trying to show you guys in this lower camera. So here's what they look like. They definitely don't look the best, but we're gonna work with what we have. Alright, so now that I got these on, we're gonna be doing a top coat here, and we're going to be attaching some gems to my nails, and I finally got camera help, so shout out to my mom. So we're gonna try to actually pick out gems that we like, so let me show you guys what I have here. So here's the set of gems I have. So we're gonna just open up this pack here, and we're gonna probably glue some of these on, I think, because they're my favorite. As far as gems go, I really like this Trixie gem. I feel like almost the middle nail for this one. Yeah, I'm gonna just play around with the gems. So we're gonna do like a quick top coat here. Oh boy, it's literally sticking to me. No, this is gonna be a challenge. Now we're gonna quickly place it under the lamp. Alright guys, so I just finished this hand only. I'm probably not gonna do the second hand for this video, just for the factor that this was a whole struggle. Not only was this hard, complicated, and probably going to fall off very, very fast. Sorry, there's people in the yard and my dogs are downstairs. But it was just all around a whole mess and struggle doing my own nails, so I recommend, guys, just wait for the salons. I know right now it's hard. Probably gonna cut this hand down and just quickly do a quick layer over it. However, I do want to show you guys the end result of my nails.
Everybody ask me how I know. I smiled at them and said she told me so. Everybody ask me how I know. I smiled at them and said she told me so. Everybody ask me how I know. I smiled at them and said she told me so. Everybody, 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 everybody ask me how I know. I smiled at them and said she told me so. I know. Everybody ask me how I know.
So as you guys can see, they did turn out pretty well for the factor that I did them myself from home with all supplies I think I got from Amazon and eBay. But I don't recommend you do this because, like I said, professionals know what they're doing. I don't know what I'm doing. This was not a tutorial. This was showing how hard it is to do your own acrylics. But let me know how you guys think I did, even though I know, when I say I know I 150% did this completely wrong. Not right whatsoever. Everything I did in this video... Sorry, it's hard owning chihuahuas. Everything I did in this video was just what I felt like doing in the given moment with the supplies that I had, and it was chaotic. And I try my best to film it. I don't usually film this kind of content, so I hope everything was filmed alright for you guys to see. The steps process of this whole entire nail look. But yeah, guys, that's gonna do it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and let me know in the comments down below what you guys would like to see me attempt to do next, or if there's any other cool video requests you guys have for me during this quarantine time when I can't go to the arcade. Thank you all so much for watching. I love you guys so much. Be sure to hit that subscribe button, drop a like, and leave a comment down below, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye, guys!
So that was it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you guys enjoyed, be sure to hit the subscribe button, be sure to drop a like, and be sure to leave a comment down below. I will see you guys next time. Goodbye.